3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on incredible park-like property. Open floor plan. Kitchen opens to the spacious family room. Slider from family room leads to a beautiful screened-in porch that overlooks the private backyard. Formal dining room and living room. Large first-floor laundry mudroom. Second floor features spacious owner's suite, complete with walk-in closet and balcony. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the second floor. Many recent improvements. Oversized garage west extra storage. Neighborhood offers walking trail, park, tennis court, and access to lake.